All right, good morning, production. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, based on our voice, you can see we're deadly tired. But there's no way today we'll be able to pass on, without us actually reaching out and saying Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes. If you don't celebrate Christmas, then and you have a day off, then well, you're still good.
Yes. So, happy holidays and happy new year to everybody. Um, Again, we just wanted to stop by. Won't be before you long. One thing that we had checked out for the holidays was Candy Cane Lane. It was a Eddie Murphy production featuring Tracy Ellis Ross. Actually, there was a lot of big names in that movie.
Mm-hmm.
So if you haven't seen it already, definitely go check it out. Again, it's Candy Cane Lanes or Candy Cane Lane.
Yeah, Candy Cane Lane, yeah.
Yeah.
With Eddie Murphy, can't miss it. It has everything, including black people. That, to be honest with you, that's one reason why we're mentioning it.
Yeah, they had
It's a total Christmas movie.
they had a Black Santa Claus, which is becoming more popular. We love a good Black Santa Claus. Because let's just be honest, nobody feels comfortable with a white man breaking in their house. That actually used to frighten me as a child. So, but yeah, so the production quality was amazing.
It's crazy.
The production quality was amazing. Okay.
Yeah, it was definitely good. It's a Christmas movie, and it's a black story, black family. The student gets caught up in winning some sort of a Christmas decoration contest and makes some kind of a.
So if this is where the spoiler alert comes in. If you haven't watched it already, go ahead and check it out. We're not gonna be sharing any like finite details.
No,
but
it just makes a deal. Some
people would consider this a spoiler alert. So stop it right here.
All right, let's move off that. Yeah, definitely go watch it. Also, too, we did check out Paradise Nation to see if they had anything. Paradise Nation originals, our normal date night movie productions, and they didn't have anything with any Christmas theme, but we did find stuff that we totally enjoyed. Though there's this one, what's that? Rastaman Chuan. Check that one out. That was pretty cool too. We watched that.
But getting back to Candy Cane Lanes, so Pepper, which is the elf or the main protagonist, personally, she gave me max creeps. She is how I see most Caucasian women, just scary, meddling with shit, and just unnecessarily messy, bitter would be a good word for what I was.
She's playing the character of one of those kind of a quasi witch kind of a thing. She wasn't total character. Come on, let's move on. You're trying to get us kicked off.
It was giving her personality, is what it was giving. But okay, so the movie is basically a 12-day of Christmas theme. We all know what 12 Days of Christmas is. If you don't, I don't know what rock you just climbed out of from under, but welcome. So yes, so to me, what message did you get from the movie?
I didn't get any message from the movies. There's no Christmas movie that I get any message from. They're all stupid, and that's why they're Christmas movies. And this one falls right into that vein. And I think it's gonna be eventually will be a classic. Come on, all the Grim Spoiled Christmas or whatever Christmas past. They're all ridiculous. That's why they're Christmas movies. So I wasn't planning. I don't think. Yeah, I wasn't looking for any message. I love Eddie Murphy. It was a good movie. I laughed. It's children appropriate, and I think it's gonna go on to be one of those cult classic.
Okay, well, I see you. I feel you. For me, I feel like there are lots of messages in Christmas movies or winter movies, the holiday season movies. For me, this one was read the fine print. Read it, because that's where all the details of how they take in your womb or your body parts and harvesting them. So in this specific one, was she harvesting body parts? No. But what I'm saying is, read the fine print, people, because that's how they get you.
Anyway.
Blessings to you. Hold that. Y'all can hold that. Right. I'll never say I did nothing for you.
All right. Okay. All right. Seeing as we're going off topic all willy-nilly. All right. So the Jonathan Majors story, right? We just wanted to say to anybody who's a fan of Jonathan Majors and Jonathan Majors himself, don't worry about it. It's just another job. You know what I mean? It's like you lost a job. We all lose job, particularly in America. When I went to America first, you know what the first thing they told me? No job is permanent. Brush it off. You have people running up and down saying, oh, it's the end of his career. For what? You know, if you dissect the charge, though it was actually charged, and he was actually charged for accidentally hurting her finger. Yeah. So let's move on. You know, his career is not over. Are there lessons to be learned? I'm sure we're not going to go into that.
I am. So beware, okay? Beware, okay? Read the fine print. Pooty Tang told him what he should and should not be dating. Okay?
Oh my God.
Listen to Pooty. That's all I'm saying. Pooty!
So, Merry Christmas, Jonathan Majors. Keep your head up, and it's just a job. There'll be a lot more jobs. Denzel Washington has never done Marvel, and he's famous, rich, and well, acclaimed.
But let's just be honest, you can always go work for DC.
And you can always go work for DC. And Marvel is sucking more and more and more everything.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, maybe black people should boycott Marvel.
I already do.
And their Men in Tights crew.
I'm already a DC fan. I boycott them naturally.
Okay.
Speaking of DC, so DC Young Fly was actually in the Candy Cane Lanes movie.
Oh, yeah.
Again, he played Josh, which was the newscaster's nephew. I love watching him eat. I've been watching him from the beginning of his career. YouTube, Vine, all of that. So big ups DC.
And it was funny.
Yes, he's always hilarious to me. He doesn't have comedy for everybody, or I've heard people say they don't like him. That's your business. You don't have to like everybody or everything. But in my opinion, he's hilarious. In our opinion, he's hilarious, and he did really, really good in his cameo in this film. So big up yourself, DC.
Oh yeah, definitely. Go watch it.
Yeah, shout out to DC and his family. They are missing Mommy this Christmas, but our condolences and so many more bright futures ahead of y'all. So big ups to that. But I feel like it was the overall movie was a beautiful Christmas message. Again, Black Santa, the family unity message was strong. So the family unit, that was very, very strong. But every day is Christmas, so I love it. Love that kind of message. We got other notes, but I think we're about done here. So.
Yeah, so take care. I mean, forgive us for the lack of luster, but we're really, really, really tired. Have an amazing day. Spend it with your family, and remember, family comes first. Well, if you have good family.
Ooh, and, shade.
Take care, and we'll see you soon so we can talk more, okay?
Unity in the community.
All right. Peace. Hey, people. Yeah, we tired, but there's just no way Christmas Day would come without we actually reaching out and wishing you a Merry Christmas. And even if you don't celebrate Christmas and you're off, it's still a blessed day, not being at work. I'm sure, so we wanted to hit you up on that.
Unless you're at work, and in such cases, Miss sorry for you.
That's not right. If you're at work, stay strong. And I'm sure you're doing something that's essential.
Appreciate you, pimp.
Yeah. So, we don't even know where to start. A lot of things up, a lot of things down, but for the most part, we're glad to be here. We're here. We're trying to dig in. Rest up for the big push. In the New Year's. We just wanted to reach out though, like real quick. Let's get some things out of the way. There's a lot of things that are happening. Okay, there's a lot of things that are happening, and there's a lot of things that we're pretending that are not happening. But just consider them as noise. Do you see what I'm saying? When you move them out of the way, what's left is your actual reality. Don't be distracted. Okay, the world is not going to end in 2024. Nobody can do that. Not even Trump. You don't have to be running around, like a chicken with its head cut off. Just remain consistent, stick to your plan, and you'll be fine. Just get rid of the distractions. So we definitely wanted to say that. There's a lot more we could have said, but we're just going to stop it there.
Yes.
So that's the only way to survive.
Yes. All right.
Hey, welcome, people.
Malcolm X. Oh. Apparently we need to hurry this up because this thing is about to die. Okay.
Hey, welcome, people.
Production. All right. So we won't be before you long. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. We'll be tired.
Ooh, and so is this thing, apparently.
What happened to it?
It needs to be charged.
No, you sure?
Yeah, it only goes down when it's dying.
Oh, God.